Hey guys, since we got all of this snow, I figured I would show you guys how to make some snow ice cream. So I actually have a recipe right here that I'm going to post on the website so you guys know exactly the ingredients that you need. But I'm going to show you what I do and how to make it. So you need a measuring cup, and you'll need one that's however big you have, but you'll need 2 cups of milk. So I'm going to use a bigger one. I have my bowl for when I'm going to eat it later. I have my milk, and this is my sugar in here. And then you want a really big bowl because you're actually going to make like a gallon of ice cream, snow ice cream. And then I have my big spoon so I can stir it up really good. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to measure out 2 cups of milk. So I don't know if you guys can see my numbers, but if you look inside here, you can see all my numbers inside there. So I'm going to fill it up to the 2 mark. And you want it on a flat surface. So when you fill it up to the 2, right there. And then next on my recipe, it says to use 1 cup of sugar. So I'm going to open up my sugar. And I have a half a cup. So I'm going to do 2 of them to make 1 cup. So I'm going to do 1, 2. And then I'm going to stir this up so the sugar kind of melts on with the milk. You can also, right now, you could add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We used it all last time we made vanilla ice cream, snow ice cream. So I don't have any more right now. But it'll still taste good without it. Okay, now that my sugar is kind of melted, dissolving into my milk, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to fill this whole thing up with snow. So what you probably should do is probably go leave this outside for a while and let the snow fall into it. And then when it's filled up, then you can make some snow ice cream. But what we normally do is we find a spot that no one stepped in, our animals haven't been through, and we kind of just scoop up the top layer. So make sure if you do this that someone is helping you do this so you don't get nasty snow. So I'm going to run outside real quick and I'm going to grab a gallon of snow. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my gallon of snow. You can also make it heaping, but what you do is you take your sugar milk and you're just going to pour it all over the top, and it'll kind of melt the snow because your milk is a lot warmer than the snow out there. You're going to pour it all over the top. Getting all the rest of my sugar out of the bottom. And then we'll start mixing this in. Takes a little while for you to mix all of this in, but it'll start turning the more yellowish color rather than the white snow color. Okay, I paused it there for a second to see if I could get my ice cream stirred up. My ice cream is still pretty fluffy, so I'm going to try to put a half cup of milk in it and see what a half cup of milk does. Make it a little more like ice cream. And just keep stirring it up until eventually it gets all mixed together and you will have some nice snow ice cream. Okay, and enjoy it in your bowl. Hope you guys enjoy your e-learning day.